These animals survive cold that would kill you in minutes. Let's get into the ice monsters of nature. Comment which these animals shocked you the most. But first, if you love your family, like and subscribe to my channel until the end. Number 4. Emperor Penguin. This bird takes tough love to the extreme. It raises chicks in -100 degrees. Fahrenheit winds no shelter, just pure penguin grit. Number 3. Arctic Woolly Bear Moth. This insect goes full frozen. It freezes solid for up to 7 years, then wakes up like it just took a nap. Number 2. Icefish. This creature has antifreeze in its blood. Literally, it swims through icy water without freezing, like a living cooler. Number 1. Wood frog. This animal actually dies in the winter. Heart stops, no breathing, fully frozen, then thaws out in spring and hops away like nothing happened.